weekly weather discussion of IMD. Today is 2nd April. If we see the summary of last week, so in association with two successive western disturbances, one from 26th to 29th, another from 27th to 1st, light to moderate rainfall along with the isolated thunderstorm activity prevailed over North India during most days of the week. Weekly average maximum temperature was above normal by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over parts of North India during first half of the week. It was below normal by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius over Northeast India, parts of East India, near normal over remaining parts of the country during the week. And if we see the heavy rainfall situation, so on 26th, Odisha reported heavy rainfall. On 27th, Sikkim. On 28th, Sikkim and North Inter Karnataka. On 30th March, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Kerala. On 31st, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. 1st April, South Inter Karnataka, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Sikkim. And very heavy rainfall also occurred on 28th over Assam and Meghalaya region. Hailstorm reported on 26th over Odisha, Karnataka, especially interior Karnataka and Telangana. On 27th, North Inter Karnataka, Konkan and Goa, Odisha, Gangetic, West Bengal and Uttarakhand. On 28th, Bihar and Uttarakhand. On 29th, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. On 30th, Haryana, Madhya Maharashtra and western parts of Madhya Pradesh. On 31st, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada. On 1st April, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand and western parts of Madhya Pradesh. So overall we can say that except South Central India, most parts of the country reported hailstorm, except some parts like Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala not reported hailstorm, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh. Otherwise, most of the subdivision reported hailstorm activity along with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind. And if we see the weekly rainfall situation, so it was 25% above normal. And during the season from 1st March to 1st April, 14% above normal. The subdivisions with the dark blue and light blue are above normal and excess rainfall activity was there. And green is normal and yellow and red is below normal activity. So you can see that most parts of the country is reporting during the week, last week, above normal rainfall, except some parts like eastern parts, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, coastal Maharashtra and Gujarat region and Arunachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand also and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Otherwise, most of the subdivisions because of thunderstorm activity reported above normal rainfall. And if we see the forecast for next 2 weeks in terms of rainfall, so two western disturbances, one the current western disturbance and another from 7th will affect northwest India. So accordingly, thunderstorm activity will continue during the week over North India and also over central India and northeast India, with possibility of heavy rainfall over J&K, that is Jammu Kashmir on 3rd and 4th, and over northeast India, especially Arunachal Pradesh on 2nd and during 6 to 8, and Assam Meghalaya on 2nd, 5th and 6th April. And overall you can say that normal to above normal rainfall activity likely over many parts of the country except northeast India and parts of Ladakh and Arjuni regions and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Otherwise, rainfall activity with thunderstorm will continue during week 1. And during week 2, heavy rainfall is likely over Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim during some days of the week. Overall, thunderstorm activity is likely to continue over northeast and Arjuni East India during the week. So, rainfall is likely to be near normal to above normal over parts of northwest India, near normal over northeast India, and below normal over remaining parts of the country. So that is the forecast for rainfall for next 2 weeks. And if we see the summary of next 1 week in terms of weather warnings, so already mentioned that two active western disturbances likely to affect northwest India during the week with peak activity on 3rd and 4th and on 7th April. Hailstorm activity also likely over northwest India on 3rd and 4th and isolated heavy rainfall over Kashmir Valley on 3rd and 4th. And bad spell with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind over central parts of the country till 6th of April with isolated hailstorm activity till 4th of April. So that is the summary for next 1 week. And if we see the maximum temperature forecast, so hot and humid conditions likely to prevail in isolated locations of Kerala on 2nd, Gangetic, West Bengal, Odisha during 2nd to 4th. Day temperatures are likely to remain near normal to below normal over northwest India during the week. Accordingly, no heat wave conditions likely during the week 1. And during week 2, appreciably above normal, maximum temperature likely over some parts of interior and coastal Odisha and adjoining coastal Andhra Pradesh, and normal to above normal maximum temperature likely over some parts of east, south and western parts of India, including Gangetic, West Bengal, Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, southern parts of Kerala, coastal regions of Gujarat state, Konkan, Goa and coastal Karnataka, and normal to below normal weekly maximum temperature are likely across the part of the country. Accordingly, low probability of heat wave conditions likely during the second half of week 2 over coastal Odisha and adjoining northern parts of coastal Andhra Pradesh. Regarding cyclogenesis, no probability of cyclogenesis formation during week 1 and week 2 till 16th of April. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.